Hey there. I'm Dave. So my therapist told me I should try to communicate more about what bothers me. Now, I don't know if this is exactly what they had in mind, but it's what I'm doing. Mostly because I don't like going outside and... well, most of the stuff that bothers me is on the internet anyway. So, I'm gonna use my little digital soapbox here to talk about weird happenings, internet stuff, and social things. Like how all the guys at the gym look like they decided to do an impromptu cover of Eminem's The Real Slim Shady, featuring dudes from TikTok. I guess it's worth noting, you might see my graphic design video editing intern, Ken. He gets paid with exposure. No, Ken, I hear you, man. Listen, I get that making fun of the broccoli haircut is kind of like picking low-hanging fruit. But in my defense, broccoli is a vegetable.